Hello, Keymaster here. As you can see, I'm in a hospital, but it's nothing dramatic. I have for many years an eye disease where I get nearly blind on one eye and then I need cortisone and it's get better. And that's one reason why I started lockpicking. 1.5 years ago, I was unable to see enough to play video games or to read. So I started watching videos. I found Bosnian Bill, and then I thought, oh, lockpicking, you don't have to look into the locks. So I thought this is a good new hobby for me. Anyway, now I'm here in this room and it's pretty boring. So I told my wife, please get me my picks and some locks. And she brought me this American Series 1100 05. This is the key. I got this lock from the Secret Santa from the UKLS, UK Lock Sports CO UK forum. And if you don't know this forum, it's pretty awesome lockpickers are there. Check it out. So now I try to pick it. I use top of the keyboard tensioning, and this is a Sparrow steep hook with a custom handle. I'm not sure if the focus is okay. The lighting here is quite different to what I have at home. Okay, let's try to pick it. I will not be able to gut it. I have not the equipment. My wife brought me everything except the followers. Okay, it's now already open. Wow, that was really fast. I wasn't paying attention. Yeah, okay, so yeah, this was so fast. I have to do it again. The video is way too short now. I've picked it before. As I said, this was a Secret Santa gift, and so I opened the package on Christmas, of course, and I picked it that day. I know that I have to be careful not to overset pin, I think it's 3. And now I make a fool of myself because I can't open it again. Okay, and open again. Yeah. Okay, so don't worry about me. I feel fine. Everything is as expected. Have a nice day and bye.